Today is Friday, December 12th. I'm going to get into these stats. We are seeing inventory continue to decrease along the Conejo Valley, SIMI Valley, and Moorpark. What's going on here? All right, so excuse me. Coming soon, we have one, new listings 27, price change 54, back on market 12, active under contract 31, pending 34, closed 45, expired 15, canceled 15, hold 2, and withdrawn 5. All right, so if we add up the amount of properties that have just hit the market or that have come back to the market, we have the new listings at 27, the coming soons at 1, and the back on markets at 12. That adds up to 40. If we compare that to the amount of homes that have come off the market, which are the active under contract, that means active under contract means this is a seller that has just accepted an offer from a buyer, and that buyer is doing inspections and investigations on that property. Those are at 31. Expireds have come off the market. That's 15. Canceled, 15. Hold 2 and withdrawn 5, that adds up to 68. So we have a difference of 28 homes coming off the market versus the 40 that are coming on. So we are seeing inventory continue to shrink, folks. They are continuing to shrink. Prices have been coming down 10 to 20%. Even with inventory shrinking, prices have been coming down in most markets 10 to 20%. All right, let's take a look at interest rates. The Fed lowered the interest rate the other day on Wednesday by a little bit, quarter point, and it had a marginal effect on interest rates, which they basically remained, pretty stable throughout the last month. The 30-year fix is now at 6.26. The 15-year fix is at 5.76. The 30-year jumbo is at 6.42. The 7 and 6 SOFR ARM is at 5.95. The 30-year FHA is at 5.88, and the 30-year VA is at 5.90. All right, so there you have it, folks. Basically, we are seeing a trend now. The trend is inventory is shrinking. We know that that's going on for a fact. We also are seeing prices coming down. Prices are coming down in most markets anywhere from 10 to 20%. So it's still what we were calling a price war, what I've been calling a price war beauty contest. If you want to get sold and you're a seller, you've got to be one of the top 2 homes in terms of best price in your neighborhood. That's like the bottom 10%. And then you got to be the top 10% in condition. So you got to be the best priced and the prettiest, best conditioned house in your market in order to get sold quick. All right. Buyers, interest rates are stable. There's still plenty of opportunities out there, but they are starting to get less and less. So like I've been saying, and like I was saying 4 to 6 weeks ago, I was telling you guys, buyers, the time was now. Well, it's still a good time because once the spring hits, we're predicting interest rates are going to come down a little bit more, and bammo, we're going to see a lot of competition for homes. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I would love to hear your plans for real estate in 2026. There's not much left of 2025. So give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass right here in Westlake Village, California. Thanks again, guys. And don't forget, get some exercise today, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.